Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my CryptoKit review. Here we're going to be taking a close look at the CryptoKit software, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with CryptoKit, which goes live on the 8th of August by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, CryptoKit gives you access to your own decentralized crypto platform. Now, this gives you a number of ways to actually earn with this platform. People can actually carry on different transactions on your side, including being able to buy crypto, and based on these transactions, you actually get paid, your own transaction fees based on that. Now, apart from that, what you're actually getting is a white label software, meaning you can actually customize this. You can change the look. You can basically customize the features of your own crypto website. So people get paid to do different things on your website. So people actually get rewards. But the advantage is you get between 5 to 50 or even 100x as much in advertising rewards here. You get inbuilt coin flip game, and you actually get fees. You get paid fees for every attempt that your visitors actually try to flip their coins. And also you get access to inbuilt viral affiliate system where your visitors are actually encouraged to invite friends, family members, and they get paid 10% in affiliate commissions based on their referrals. And of course, you are going to be able to create your wallet. Visitors are going to be able to create their own wallet, or basically connect their existing wallet, which makes a lot of sense here. You can see here that you're going to be able to create your own wallet, and this is of course decentralized, meaning there is complete control over your wallet, over your transactions, and basically over whatever it is that you do with your own crypto exchange platform. Of course, you get to create your own subdomain. You get to create your own subdomain once you get access to CryptoKit. And of course, you get access to training where you're going to be shown, if you have any questions, you're going to be shown exactly what you need to do depending on what you want to do. So you get access to your end link here. If you click on this button, people can actually come here. And then they can actually perform certain actions, to get paid. So this comes with a ton of features, that's actually geared towards allowing you get paid with your own crypto exchange platform. I'm going to go through the custom bonuses that I'm giving you, and then we're going to discuss a little bit more about CryptoKit. So bonus number 1, you're going to be getting access to my recently launched software. You're going to be getting access to an ebook creator software. Now, this allows you to add your affiliate links, and then you can create unlimited ebooks with this cloud-based software. Not only that, this allows you to add your affiliate links to the ebooks, also gives you access to funnels. So you are getting access to funnel software, ebook maker software under one dashboard. And you also get access to free traffic and also free traffic training. This allows you to create unlimited campaigns. Now, bonus number 2. Now, if you have observed, you would find out that this is not just in the affiliate marketing space. In the affiliate marketing space, in basically any other niche, if you are a product creator, you find out that they happen to be the top 5%. For example, in the affiliate marketing niche, the top 5%, income earners happen to be product vendors. They happen to be creators. They're always launching one software after the next. Now you are getting the opportunity to put yourself in the top 5% because you are going to be getting access to software with white label rights, which you can go ahead and launch on any affiliate network, be it JVZoo, be it Warrior Plus, be it ClickBank. You get access to software, not just the front end, but all the 4 upgrades, for you to be able to customize and launch on any affiliate network. Bonus number 3 allows you to drive traffic to your site, be it your crypto site, be it your affiliate site, be it your affiliate link. This allows you to drive traffic using other people's viral content, talking about viral videos, without you having to create any videos yourself. And this works in any niche. This can be in the crypto niche, this can be in affiliate marketing niche, this can be in the health and fitness niche. Basically you are getting access to a free traffic engine that supplies you, profitable traffic at any point in time. Bonus number 4 allows you to create your own site in any niche, be it affiliate marketing, be it crypto. You are going to be able to use this to drive some traffic basically to any link. Now, not just that, this gives you access to done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. So you're getting access to these sites that are completely done for you. Now, all you need to do essentially is just to add your own affiliate links, and then you are good to go. And then you can use this to promote crypto offers. You can use this to send traffic to your crypto site. Now, by the way, CryptoKit allows you to create your own blog also, with the aim of, with automated content, so that you can easily drive organic traffic to your own crypto exchange site. Now, you are getting access to more traffic here, but not just limited to crypto. This gives you traffic for crypto or for affiliate marketing or for any niche, with the aim of getting you paid. This comes with free traffic inbuilt and also free traffic training also. Bonus number 5 gives you access to a software that allows you to create your own doodle videos to get people's attention and also drive traffic. Bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to a video where I'm going to be showing you a number of ways you can actually get paid with videos, especially on YouTube, without you having to show your face on camera. Bonus number 7 is another software, another very vital traffic software that's actually helped me personally, to generate some income for myself in affiliate commissions. And this is a cloud-based software that gives you done for you templates to create your own bonus pages. You're getting access to done for you templates. Now you're getting access to bonuses. Now this helps you because it allows you to create your own bonus pages in less than a minute. All you need to do is select from the done for you bonuses or add any done for you bonuses if you have, graphics are done for you, delivery is done for you, everything is set. Plus you get access to free traffic rotator that allows you to send completely free traffic to your bonus pages for easy commissions. And bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. Now, to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of CryptoKit, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information. So here it says the crypto market sucks, stop buying now. When in a bear market like now, the smartest thing to do is to hibernate. This is this world's first white label software to grow a crypto next egg from scratch without investing, without mining, without training, without trading, or without flipping. So feel free to come check this out in your own time. This is completely cloud based, nothing to install. You get access to all these features here, inbuilt crypto wallet creator that's on your own site. So feel free to come check this out in your own time. And then this allows you, of course, to claim payments directly to your own crypto wallet, which actually makes a lot of sense. And this is completely brandable, just like I explained. Can change, the look and the feel of your own crypto platform. So come check this out in your own time to get more information about this. Once this goes live, 8 August by 10 a.m. Eastern time. So that's my review of CryptoKit. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $16.47. Now there are some optional upgrades like the Unleashed, which is $19.97 per month, 197 per annum or 297 one time. You also have CryptoKit done for you paid traffic bundles, and the final upgrade is the CryptoKit reseller license. So that's my review of CryptoKit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. You're also going to find a demo here on this bonus page. Thank you for checking out this review, and bye for now.